friends. Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making pyramids at sunset. To complete this craft, you will need white cardstock or art paper, paint, orange, yellow, and brown for the sand, and blue, red, and purple for the sunset, a toothbrush, a paintbrush, the templates for the pyramid, camels, and palm tree, construction paper or markers, scissors, and a glue stick. Here's what you'll do. First, draw a line from left to the right of your paper to separate the sand from the sky. This is called your horizon line. Next, squirt out a little bit of each of the 3 paint colors for the sand on a paint palette or plate. Dip the bristles of an old toothbrush into multiple colors and paint it to the bottom of the part of the paper below the horizon line. Now squirt some of the 3 paint colors for the sunset on a plate or paint palette. Use a paintbrush dipped into multiple colors at a time and paint the top part of the paper above the horizon line. While the background is drying, begin cutting out the templates. You can either color these templates with markers or you can trace them onto the construction paper and then cut them out. Glue your templates onto the background. Ta-da! Here's my finished pyramids at sunset. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!